Speaking exclusively to NNIS, NCP leader Majid Memon said that it would be best without wasting time Congress comes out with their game plan. He said that the BJP and Shiv Sena standoff was far more complicated than the Congress-NCP relations. Majid Memon said that because someone from Chidambaram was being questioned in the Sharda scam, that does not mean that he or she was under suspicions. Excerpts.
It is because the date scheduled for filing of nomination has already begun. From 20th, 27th is the last day. After we come to the first arrangement of as to how many seats and which seats we are contesting, then we will start our candidates asking them to file their nomination. So where is the time? So the Congress should also wake up and without waste of time, waste of any day or hour, they must come out with whatever is their ultimate or final decision. Bharatiya Janata Party and Shiv Sena has number of problems which incidentally Congress and NCP do not have it. For example, there they have a fight for CM-ship. Who will be the CM? We are not at all considering who the CM is going to be. Number two, they have more people to be accommodated. Other smaller parties for which 18 seats are insufficient, and then there again another issue is raised. So they have more complications and their situation is more complex. We have a simple case. It is only the Congress has given us 124. We are asking 10 more or so, and I think we will strike the deal somewhere in between. If Congress is very rigid, then we are also ready for 280 seats to contest. Sharda Chit Fund investigation has been going on, and CBI as a premier investigating agency is fully authorized to question such people as are in the knowledge of the facts of the case, and therefore whether it is P. Chidambaram himself, his wife or anybody else for that matter, as a citizen of India under the Criminal Procedure Code, they are bound to divulge the information which is available within them, their knowledge, and therefore questioning anybody should not be taken as a kind of suspicion against that person.
Powered by NNIS.